In 1964, the United States stood at a constitutional crossroads. A roadside motel in Georgia would become the center of a landmark battle over civil rights and federal power. Legal Tech AI presents Heart of Atlanta Motel versus United States. To understand this case, we must first look at the historical context of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. The act prohibited discrimination in places of public accommodation, a direct challenge to Jim Crow laws. But the motel's owner, Morton Rolliston Jr., argued that Congress had exceeded its authority. The facts. The Heart of Atlanta Motel was a 216-room facility located near two interstate highways. Approximately 75% of its registered guests were from out of state. The motel had a strictly white-only policy, refusing to rent rooms to African Americans. The owner sued the United States, claiming the Civil Rights Act was unconstitutional. The legal issue was whether Congress could use the Commerce Clause to regulate a private business. The rule, Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution, grants Congress the power to regulate commerce among the states. This power extends to anything that has a substantial effect on interstate commerce. The Supreme Court heard the case as an urgent constitutional challenge. They reached a unanimous decision in December 1964. The court held that the act was a valid exercise of the commerce power. Racial discrimination by motels discouraged interstate travel and obstructed commerce. The court reasoned that it does not matter if a business is local or private. If the operation substantially affects interstate commerce, Congress has the power to regulate it. This decision fundamentally expanded the reach of the Civil Rights Act across the nation. It remains one of the most significant interpretations of federal power in American history. Remember, Congress can prohibit discrimination by businesses that substantially affect interstate commerce. Follow Legal Tech AI for more landmark cases, law school content, and bar exam preparation.